For the last few years, Qure has been the biggest name in at-home micro-infusion, and for good reason. It basically brought clinic-grade results to the home bathroom. So, when AMIRO launched their own system, with freeze-dried PDRN and tiny gold-plated needles that look extremely familiar, the obvious question was, why would anyone switch? Because if the hardware is almost identical and the delivery is pretty much the same, then the formula has got to be doing something seriously different, right? Well, after using both of these, I can tell you that these are most definitely not two of the same thing. And it has zero to do with the tiny gold needles. If you're new here, welcome, I'm TJ, I'm 45 years old with real lived in mature people's skin and almost 7 years of skincare device experience in the bag. In this video, I'm looking at what AMIRO is actually delivering in this micro-infusion system, what PDRN brings to the formula, how the treatment works, what I noticed on my own skin, and whether it genuinely gives us a reason to move away from the current king of micro-infusion, Qure. Let's start with the formula. AMIRO uses freeze-dried microspheres, and you're going to activate these with a separate hydrating solution immediately before you perform your treatment. It's a fresh mix right before you get to work with it, rather than a formula that's already been sitting in liquid form for however long it's been. And while that doesn't automatically make it more powerful, it does change the way that the product is designed, and for an ingredient like PDRN, that actually really is important. The tiny vertical stamping motion is familiar. The single-use cartridge is familiar. And the gold needle tip, yep, you got it. It's familiar. The real difference is what you're putting through those tips. And this is where, for me, AMIRO becomes much more interesting than simply being another micro-infusion device in a shiny box. So, anyone who's been diving into the world of biostimulators will know what exosomes are, what growth factors are, and what PDRN is. But if not, PDRN stands for polydeoxyribonucleotide. In simple terms, it's a mixture of purified DNA fragments from male salmon. And before anyone starts panicking, this isn't rewiring or rewriting your DNA, and it isn't putting tiny fish bits under your skin. The biological signaling it delivers is actually what we're looking for here, and it's what really is what matters. PDRN has been studied for tissue repair and wound healing, with research looking at pathways involved in cellular recovery, including adenosine-related signaling and the recycling of nucleotides. That gives PDRN a more direct biological connection to human skin than a general botanical extract. And this is the part that I find important. We're dealing with human skin. We are mammals and not plants, but PDRN is made from DNA fragments, and the research around it is connected to repair pathways found in human tissue. For a micro-infusion system that's designed to support skin renewal and recovery, PDRN makes a great deal of sense as the headline ingredient, and it's an ingredient that actually gets me really excited. Now, a lot of the stronger evidence comes from wound healing research injections, laboratory studies, and controlled clinical treatment. So I'm not going to take a study involving injectable PDRN and pretend that it proves that every PDRN serum will produce the same result on someone's face at home. That is not how skincare works. It's also not how transparency works. But what it does show is that PDRN has a credible reason for being included in this. It's been proven as a regenerative skin booster, and I am absolutely 100% here for that. PDRN is the headline ingredient, like I said, but it isn't working on its own in this serum. This formula also includes silk fibroin, and silk fibroin is a protein derived from silk, and in skincare, its main role is around skin conditioning and helping it to hold on to moisture. Then inside this, you've also got 3% acetylhexapeptide 8, which is also known as argireline, and this is the expression line peptide. It's often described as being Botox light, because what it's talking about is the appearance of those expression lines being the ones that appear when you frown, when you scowl, the normal lines just from movement on your skin. It does not paralyze your facial muscles, and it isn't Botox, but with regular use, acetylhexapeptide 8 may absolutely help soften the look of fine lines, and particularly those lines, like I said, that are created by repeated facial movement. Now, the temporary microchannels created during the treatment, they're absolutely going to help the formula reach those superficial skin layers way more effectively than topical application with your fingertips. Then inside this there's also 2% tranexamic acid, and tranexamic acid for me is a hero ingredient because I'm someone who suffers with rosacea and it absolutely helps with the redness. And topical tranexamic acid has been studied for uneven pigmentation and melasma, and it can also help to regulate some of the pathways involved in that excess pigment production. There's also good old sodium hyaluronate. Then you've got collagen, fibronectin and elastin also added into the mix. Now, I'm not expecting those to march down into my dermis and rebuild my face from the inside out. I've been doing this long enough and I'm smart enough to know that's not what they're going to do. That's not how they work. But they do add to the way that this formula feels on my skin. AMIRO's name for this wider combination of supportive proteins and skin conditioning ingredients is the ECM Energy Matrix. So you've got PDRN doing more of the bulk repair signaling work. Well, the rest of the formula, it supports hydration, condition, and the way that the skin looks and feels after a treatment. Now on to another super important part of what makes this micro-infusion system a whole other level above. The PDRN formula is kept in powder form, and the hydrating solution is going to be added immediately before you get to use with this. Now, AMIRO describes its freeze drying process as preserving the active ingredients until activation. This means that the ingredients are kept separate until you're ready to use them, and then you go on in and you mix that formula up right before you get to work with it. It makes the treatment feel more like a fresh preparation, which it is, rather than something that's been sitting in a bottle for months or possibly years. And as someone who works with biostimulators in clinic and at home, that makes complete sense for a formula built around PDRN, around peptides, and around proteins. So now we've covered all of that and you understand exactly what to expect from the ingredients in this, exactly why it does what it does, and exactly what it contains. Let's quickly talk about applying this. As you've seen, the treatment itself is very straightforward, but the order, it really does matter. Now, before I got on camera, I had cleansed my skin, so I'm barefaced. Then we're going to remove the cap from both of the bottles, and what I do is I pour the hydrating solution into the vial containing the freeze-dried microspheres. I put the lid on, the needle tip onto the vial, and I'm going to shake it up until the microspheres have dissolved properly. Before applying anything to your face, what you want to do is you want to take the device and you want to press it vertically into the top of your hand. Then all you're going to do is you're going to start working across your face in sections, gently pressing and lifting the device onto the skin rather than dragging it around, which, ouch, if you do that, you're going to feel it. This is not a microneedling pen. It's not a derma pen. This is manual stamping. The tips are designed to work with a vertical stamping motion. Now, obviously, I'm doing this on camera, so I'm sat up. You're going to find it a lot easier if you tilt your head back and just stamp and just work row by row, overlapping by around about 25% with each time you move down. Once I've worked horizontally, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to work vertically, just stamping. And a full face treatment, it should take around about 5 minutes, but that really does depend on just how thorough you are. Now, I am extremely thorough when it comes to anything to do with my face. And even when this is empty, what I like to do is I like to just work over once more, just to ensure that any residual surface serum just going to work its way in that little bit more. Plus, you get the benefit of a microneedling session as well. Each of these cartridges are designed for one use, so once you're done with it, you throw it away. If you've got any leftover formula, it's going to start losing its power and potency if you save it for the next day. So the best thing to do, if your face is done and you've still got serum left in the vial, you could use it on the back of your hand, you could use it down your neck, anywhere where you get the visible signs of aging. And also, important this one, do not reuse the tip, because while it looks perfectly innocent sat there on the bathroom shelf, those needles, they're going to be blunt now. So AMIRO recommends using this system twice a month. PDRN, like the majority of other skin boosters and ingredients out there, it takes time to get to work in the skin. Collagen production doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen in a day. It doesn't happen in a week. doesn't even happen in a month. It takes on average around about 6 weeks for collagen production to even begin. We're going to be peaking at around about 3 months for collagen and elastin production. You're going to notice immediate results after using this because obviously it's got those skin plumping, those hydrating, those conditioning ingredients. So your skin is going to look flawless while the PDRN is getting to work, signaling the skin to start regenerating and rejuvenating. Qure is amazing for helping tidy up the complexion, to lighten it, to brighten it, to give you a really dewy glow that is going to have you looking super fresh. AMIRO is going to work at a deeper level. For me, Qure is a skin reconditioner and this is a skin rejuvenator. And you know, at 45 years old, both have got a place in my routine, but the AMIRO PDRN Micro-Infusion system is 100% more of what I need. Now, once you finish your treatment with the AMIRO system, you don't want to wash your face. You want to leave this to get to work for a good 8 hours. So it's a good idea to do this before you go to bed and really let your skin drink it up. You also don't want to go applying any makeup over the top of this. And if you use retinoids or retinol or any exfoliating acids, wait around about 3 days after using this before you reintroduce them. Also, and this one I shouldn't even really need to say because you should know this already, make sure that you are using sunscreen the day after, but not just the day after. You should be using sunscreen every day. We all need the sun for vitamin D, gives us life, so does water. Too much water, we drown. Too much sun, well, we all know what happens from that. Now, obviously, I'd also avoid using this over active breakouts, over eczema or a rosacea flare-up, or if your skin's just generally irritated. Essentially, micro-infusion is still a needle-based treatment, even though the tips are teeny tiny. So your skin really does need to be in good condition before you start. Otherwise, you could just exasperate and make worse any issues that you've got currently going on. My skin literally feels like silk. I'm into month 2 with this now, and from my own testing, my skin definitely looks a lot fresher. It looks way more hydrated, and there is a nice little bit of plumpness to it and a way smoother surface. I love that feeling. And less of that tired, crumpled appearance that my face likes to present first thing in the morning, last thing in the day, after too much coffee, or whenever I've got a video call to do. I've used the Qure Micro Infusion system, both of the different types of serum that they offer as well, multiple times over the years, and actually it's always worked really well for me. Did I notice a reduction in my fine lines and wrinkles? No. But I did notice a reduction in my freckles. Did I notice a reduction in my pore size? Temporarily, but you know, pores, they can't be shrunk permanently. So temporary is what I'm going to take because that's the best it's going to get. Did I notice any skin firming or skin tightening with the Qure system? Negligible. Now, like I said, I'm into month 2 with AMIRO. This is my 4th treatment, so essentially week 8. And there is definitely more density in my skin. Like my skin, it feels thicker. It feels less crepey. Sensation that I get when I tap it, the tension that I've got in the skin, that firmness, that bounce, 100% a massive improvement. But also, I'm not surprised because I know the power of PDRN. I know exactly what it can do in the skin. And 27% is huge. And you know what? I really don't say that lightly. AMIRO has not paid me to say that. AMIRO has not asked me to say that. Everything that I'm saying in this video is 100% and genuinely what I feel, what I'm seeing. Like I said, I've used Qure many times over the years, but you'll notice that I've only made 1 or 2 videos about the micro-infusion system because while it does deliver results personally for me, and I don't mean this in a negative way, but I kind of prefer other serums and other ingredients. And I think for what this does on my skin, the results that I've seen, is not enough for me to be excited about it. And I like to think that a lot of you guys, I know you and you're kind of the same as me, and if you're buying something, you want something that really is going to deliver. Qure is good. It's got an amazing marketing strategy behind it. You see it everywhere. Ingredients wise and results wise, the AMIRO PDRN Micro-Infusion system is light years ahead, and it is absolutely what my skin needs. Qure is good. AMIRO, I would actually fight you for this. And we all know when I say that I would fight you for something, it means it really is that good. So the figures shown by AMIRO show that there's a 38% reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, 34% for dullness, 53% for smile lines, and apparently there's no downtime. But is this true? Well, yeah, on my skin, there's not a dramatic recovery period. A tiny bit of diffuse redness, but nothing major, and it literally lasts for like an hour or so. But I do still follow the aftercare because skin can look relatively calm while still needing a little bit more time to settle. But like I said, I personally know the power of PDRN in skincare as a skin booster, and now as part of a micro infusion system for my face, for my hands, for my neck. I am totally here for this. This is made for aging skin. It's made to take care of those age-related issues like sunspots, like dullness, like those fine lines and wrinkles, like that loss of firmness and elasticity. For me, out of these two systems, the AMIRO feels like the more complete treatment for us more mature skin types, especially those looking for a real boost from a biostimulator. The preparation, it's got purpose. The delivery method also has got purpose, and the formula has a purpose beyond simply making my skin feel hydrated for an afternoon. That is what I want from this. The device itself doesn't need to reinvent the wheel, and it hasn't. The wheel is still very much spinning. It just needed something more interesting, more targeted for aging skin to deliver, and that is exactly what AMIRO has done. So if you've been looking at this system and you've been wondering whether it's simply a familiar device with a new name on it, it isn't. It's a different formula experience built around a different idea. And that's my honest opinion on this. PDRN, it's got a lot of research backing up its power and regenerative impact within human skin. And I really feel like having this available as a topical infusion rather than an injection is a great way to deliver those signals exactly where they need to be without the needle. Anyway, that is about it for this one today. Any questions? The comments are open, so feel free to ask away. If you want to get your hands on one of these kits to try, links are in the pinned comment and the description box. Otherwise, have a day as amazing as you are, and I hope to see you in the next video. So until then, TJ, over and out.